Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to drop a few tips on things I did when leasing my first property. Step 1, make sure you use a realtor. You don't want to go it alone on your first property. They'll be very crucial in crafting that lease agreement, as well as partnering with others to find your applicants. They'll run a credit check and do interviews. Step 2, you want to make sure that when you get your tenants, that you maintain a renter's insurance policy on your home, as well as have your tenants have their own renter's insurance. Number 3, make sure that you keep good records. This will be very crucial when you have to file your taxes and claim that income. Make sure that you use a CPA. Step 4, make sure that you have a good handyman on standby for all those repairs. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. If you found anything valuable in this, please like and subscribe.